Ibrahim Breaker record. Yeah, Ibrahim Breaker on the beat. From the ground to the dream, we rise. Let's go.
Never give up, keep moving on, even when the night feels long. Keep your head high, stay strong. One day you'll sing your victory song. Never give up, don't lose your way. Every dark night brings a brighter day. Keep believing, keep the faith. Your time is coming, just wait.
Started from nothing, chasing a vision. Every setback became a lesson. People doubted, people laughed, but I kept walking on my path. I learned that life is not a race, everybody moves at their own pace. If you fall, they'll stand again, turn your losses into gain. Dreams are built with sacrifice, hard work is the real price. No shortcuts to the top, keep climbing and never stop.
Never give up, keep moving on, even when the night feels long. Keep your head high, stay strong. One day you'll sing your victory song. Never give up, don't lose your way. Every dark night brings a brighter day. Keep believing, keep the faith. Your time is coming, just wait.
I see the future in my eyes, beyond the struggle, beyond the skies. Every challenge made me grow, every storm taught me to flow. No fear living in my heart, I knew success would play its part. Step by step, day by day, I kept pushing all the way. The road is tough, I understand, but greatness comes to those who stand. Believe yourself, that's where it starts. A strong mind creates strong hearts. When the world says you can't, tell yourself I can. When the road gets hard, keep following the plan. The sun will rise again, the pain will never remain. Keep your focus on the goal, and let your spirit reign. Yeah, let your spirit reign.
Never give up, keep moving on, even when the night feels long. Keep your head high, stay strong. One day you'll sing your victory song. Never give up, don't lose your way. Every dark night brings a brighter day. Keep believing, keep the faith. Your time is coming, just wait.